Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're whipping up some delicious air fryer beef kebabs that are sure to delight your taste buds. Let's dive right in. To start, cut the beef into small square chunks and give it a flavorful boost with a marination of cooking oil, soy sauce, cooking wine, oyster sauce, ground white pepper, ground cumin, salt, and cornstarch. Make sure to mix everything thoroughly and let it marinate for at least half an hour. Next, cut the vibrant red bell pepper into small pieces that will add a burst of color and flavor to the kebabs. Shred the marinated beef chunks and the delightful red bell pepper pieces onto the bamboo skewers with care and precision. Now, let's get the air fryer involved. Line the air fryer tray with aluminum foil and gracefully place the beef skewers on it. Oh, but we can't forget that extra touch of elegance. Sprinkle some sesame seeds over the beef skewers to give them a beautiful finish and an irresistible nutty flavor. Heat the air fryer to a sizzling 200 degrees Celsius and let the magic happen. Grill those beef kebabs to perfection for 20 minutes of sheer anticipation and aroma. The time has come. After 10 minutes, it's time to flip the skewers and let the other side join the party. Sprinkle more sesame seeds for an exquisite touch. Continue grilling in the air fryer for another 10 minutes until they reach their mouth-watering potential. And voila! The air fryer beef kebabs are now ready to dazzle your senses and satisfy your cravings. Go ahead, give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Your taste buds are in for a treat. Thanks for watching and I can't wait to see you until next time.